Hi everyone, 2025 is coming to an end and I wanted to use these few quiet days between the year to address a couple of topics and offer some transparency as we head into the new year. So in this video I'm covering three main topics. First, the revenue of 2025, and based on that, the content outlook for 2026. I also will give an update of my Agent-to-Agent Protocol course on Udemy. So here we are at the overview of my earnings in 2025, and as you can see I made $1,045 in this year, and as you can clearly see the early months were quite good, like January, February and March, but November, September and November I just made around $60, and December is even worse. So of course this is more or less a hobby for me and the money is nice on the side, but I'm not dependent on it. But still it somehow has to bring a little bit of revenue, and to put that in perspective, I pay 70 euros per month for my Adobe license, so it costs more to create my videos than I actually get back from YouTube. So that's not something I can continue. And this directly brings me to topic number 2, the outlook for 2026. Some huge YouTubers like Maximilian Schwarzmüller and Brad Traversy have already made videos about this, and my experience is exactly the same. Long form tutorials just aren't working anymore. They simply don't get clicked. Whether it's due to shorter attention spans or people just using AI, I don't know. But as these fellow creators put it, the YouTube algorithm rewards dopamine, not content. So here's a quick example. I made an expert level video on the topic probabilities and LLMs. I didn't expect it to go viral of course, but I certainly didn't expect it to go this poorly. So that video took me around 10 to 12 hours of work to produce, and it earned me $1.10. After taxes it's like 55 cents, and that makes it 5 cents per hour for me. And I hope you can understand that this isn't just sustainable for me. However, I still want to produce valuable content. I refuse to become one of those channels that just make hype videos like, oh, this new OpenAI model shocks the entire industry, this changes everything. I just don't want to do that. But I'm definitely going to experiment a little bit with the format, so your feedback is as always very welcome. And finally, number 3, my Udemy course on the Agent-to-Agent Protocol. So this is how it currently looks in my repository, but as you can see there is a lot of stuff still missing, and this is because I had to rework the concept several times, adding things, removing things which were too niche or too difficult, and to be brutally honest, my motivation wasn't that high too this year, especially at the end. So I'm back to work on it regularly, but I can't give you a firm date of release. However, I wanted to give you a sneak peek, and as always my code is publicly available, so on my GitHub repository feel free to give it a star, it's free and it helps me with my content. So that's it for now, thank you for sticking around, I wish you a happy new year and I will see you in 2026. Bye bye.